Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. So in this video I'll be sharing with you how I make my cucumber salad. I thought this is going to be a great meal idea for you, especially this period that we are fasting and praying. Who is not fasting and who is not praying in Nigeria today? It's very good that you break your fast with foods that are rich in nutrients. At the same time, they are light, they're not heavy. So this cucumber salad will definitely be a great choice for you and your family. So let us dive in. So the first thing to do is to cut our veggies. As the name implies, cucumber salad, so the basic ingredient or the basic thing for this salad is cucumber. So cucumber must be there, and then you can add any other veggies or fruit of your choice. So I'm using cucumber, carrot, tomatoes and onion, of course some eggs. You feel free to use more than these 3 eggs I'm using. If you are the type that eats heavy meals immediately after you end your fast, please stop it. It's not good for your health. It's not just good, it's good to start with fruit like food like smoothie, Greek yogurt. These are healthy. At the same time, your body can digest them so easily. The tomatoes you'll be using, as you can see, mine is hard, as in very strong tomatoes. Don't use those soggy type. If not, it will come out like it's the water from the tomatoes will make your salad soggy. And there is no special way to cut up all these veggies. Just do whatever works for you, any shape you want. I'm using some aluminum foil to line my chopping board, because yes, I know I will wash the the chopping board after cutting all this, but I don't want that foul smell from egg to stick to it. So that is why I'm using my foil. You can go ahead and cut yours straight up. Now I'm done with all the cuttings. I will go ahead to prep my dressing. So I just added some mayonnaise to this plate. This is a little quantity of apple cider vinegar, and lastly I'll be adding some honey. Guys, have you subscribed? I ask again, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? And have you shared? Thank you. So I'll combine everything, mix everything up. Now I'll go ahead to add the dressing to the vegetables and combine everything guys, like I'm not capping this salad recipe. You don't even need rice, though you can still pair it with rice, but it's so filling. Only as in eating it like this, as in will give you everything you want. Though I enjoyed mine with a well spiced grilled fish. So I'm adding the egg lastly. I didn't want the salad to come out messy. So at this time that I've added the egg, we'll just carefully, put them in. So I'll cover with my plastic wrap and then allow it to rest in the fridge for like 15-20 minutes. That is where you enjoy it, when it is cold a little. So guys, it is cold now, and I'll go ahead to dish it out. This creamy cucumber salad is everything, I tell you. Now this is my grilled fish. I didn't show you how I did this because I didn't want this video to be long. Maybe I will drop another video showing you how I achieved this. And guys, what is it not to love about this recipe? Enjoyment is calling my name. Oh, enjoyment, if you call my name, I will answer a billion times. So enjoyment called. Now I am answering. I'm doing justice to this yummy cucumber salad. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, give this video a massive thumbs up and share. I'll see you when next I come with another mind-blowing recipe. Bye bye.